Hi, my name is Adam from StageReady, and in today's video I am going to show you how this handheld spectrum analyzer can help with RF coordination. RF Explorer is a fully autonomous handheld spectrum analyzer. This particular model can scan from 50 kHz up to 960 MHz and display the results on its screen. There are also other models available to cover more scanning range. It is possible to connect it to a PC with a USB cable and use a software to display scans and export scan results to a CSV file. This spectrum analyzer can help audio engineers, technicians with facilitating small and mid-sized productions. It can provide real-time monitoring solution and help with the RF coordination workflow. The ability to export a CSV file makes it possible to use it with an RF coordination software of your choice, let it be Wireless Manager from Audio-Technica, Shure's Wireless Workbench, and so on. There is also other software available which offer full integration. You will find some software links in the video description, so go and check it out. The latest software that is provided by the manufacturer is RF Explorer Touch. In this software, you can display the scan results and also export it to a CSV file. When launching the software for the first time, make sure that you configure the device. Make sure direct input signal is used so that there is no attenuation or amplification. Then increase the scanning points to 4096 to get the most resolution available. Also configure the scanning range. I will set it to scan from 470 MHz to 810 MHz in this example. The software will start to display the scan results. When the first scan is done, go ahead and save the results to a CSV file. For the frequency coordination, I am using the Audio-Technica Wireless Manager software. The first step is to add all devices that is used in the coordination. I will add some Sennheiser G2, G3, and G4 in-ear monitoring systems. Then I also add a Shure wireless microphone and my own Audio-Technica ATW3205 transmitter. In this software, the next step is to navigate to the Frequency Coordination tab. Make sure you include all devices in the planning. Set the desired transmitter power and give the microphone more robust stability for the planning. Then go to the RF Scan menu. Click Import. In this menu, you are able to import the scan results made by the RF Explorer. Set the desired threshold and click Apply. Go to the Frequency Planning menu, click Calculate, then Apply. Completing this step allocates the frequencies to each device. At this point, you will need to set these frequencies recommended by the software on your devices, and you're ready to go. After the frequency coordination is done, the RF Explorer is still handy. You can use it in handheld mode for real-time monitoring, or you can use the software on your PC to do that for you. Today I can demonstrate what it looks like when you get an interference. Let's say someone decides to switch on a wireless gear during your show. This is what you will see then. You can clearly identify that there is something going on. In this case, you can use markers to display the peak, or in case more than one signal, you can drag your mouse over the signal and see what frequency that is. Next to all the benefits, unfortunately, the RF Explorer has some cons. There is a record and play function, but it requires an extra license. Currently, it costs about $99 US. Looks like the software that comes with it is also Windows only. You need to spend extra money, which is increasing your cost. This would enable that you do a walk-around scan and export the results. At least this is what I understood from the description on the website. If you know more, please comment below. The free software included is Windows or Intel-based Mac only. There is no support for ARM-based Mac yet. There is no SD card slot to export or import data. There is also no networking capability. You can only use this device with a USB cable, which requires that you are next to it. This is restricting your movement. I was thinking to overcome this with a mini PC at the monitoring location to provide a remote access to it. But do not let yourself fooled. This device is still a good bang for the money. In Europe, it costs around €200 and it enables you to do real-time monitoring and RF coordination using the CSV file export. Doing the RF coordination this way saves you the time you would spend on scanning with each device. There is also paid software available that fully integrates the RF Explorer, so you do not need to bother with exporting and importing a CSV file. The device is well built, feels like it was built to last. If you got any questions regarding the RF Explorer, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, consider to subscribe. There are more videos coming out soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day.